How you can fix the Roblox not launching error. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix your Roblox not launching in your operator. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your Windows and from here you have to search for your Roblox Studio. Now you just have to click on this arrow icon and from here you have to go into this open file location. Now once you are in the open file location of your Roblox Studio, you have to right click on it and from here you have to go into the show more options. And from here you have to again go into the open file location. Now from here you are into the Roblox Studio installer, you have to right click on it and from here you have to go into the run ad administrator. Now from here you just have to click on the no and you have to go into its properties. Now from here as you can see that here is all of the properties of your Roblox Studio installer. You have to click on its compatibility and from here you have to make sure that in this settings here is all of these icons are enabled. You have to enable this run this program and disable full screen optimization and you have to apply the changes and click on the OK. And after that you just have to go back and again go into your Windows and search for your Roblox, and from here you have to reinstall your Roblox, and after that once you reinstall it you are able to fix your Roblox not launching error. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.